guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we're looking at another product by Ambassador Games. This here is the electronic arcade pinball. Very futuristic vibe, has a lot of neon colors, looks really cool. Let's open it up. Alright, so we have some assembly required, so we get some decals, we got our machine here. And then, yeah, let's go ahead and just put this thing together and see what it looks like. Okay, let's turn it on. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this out. Hit start. Okay. It's so cool. So that's actually pretty cool. So it's got a lot of bells and whistles, it's got moving bumpers, it does make a lot of sound effects. Definitely a very unique design piece and definitely has a really nice carnival feel to it. And yeah, with that said, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.